Here are the top budgeting mistakes that can cost you more and make you poor, along with how to fix them and be on your way to financial freedom. Self-made millionaires know where every penny goes. Welcome to Lifestyle Architect, where you learn how to build the life you want. Budgeting is a crucial tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. However, even with the best intentions, many people make common budgeting mistakes that can hinder their financial progress. In this article, we will explore these budgeting blunders and provide practical solutions to fix them. 1. Not having a budget at all. Mistake. The biggest budgeting mistake is not having a full budget in the first place. Some people simply approximate their spending money habits. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, then the approximates are not working. Without tracking it, you would be surprised at little purchases and subscriptions you forgot about. Solution: create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Then figure out how much money you need for the bare minimum living. This will help you realize how much you have to play with. There are various budgeting apps and templates available to help you get started. Failing to track daily expenses. Mistake. Neglecting small daily expenses can add up over time and disrupt your budget. These might include coffee runs, snacks, or impulse purchases. But they come in other forms like an app purchase or other digital downloads. They aren't tangible, so can be missed. Solution: keep a spending diary or use a budgeting app to track every expense, no matter how small. Analyze your spending patterns to identify areas where you can cut back. I like keeping all of my grocery receipts for a month and calculate how much I spend on food per day. It gives me a good baseline for determining if I'm spending more or less the next month. 3. Ignoring emergency funds. Mistake. Some individuals focus solely on monthly bills and forget to allocate funds for emergencies or unexpected expenses. This leaves them financially vulnerable when unexpected costs arise. Solution: prioritize building an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your income for unexpected expenses, aiming for a minimum of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, ensuring you can cover unexpected bills without jeopardizing your budget, and will help you sleep at night. 4. Overlooking variable expenses. Mistake. Many people budget for fixed expenses like rent and utilities, but forget to account for variable expenses such as entertainment, dining out, or vacations. This can lead to overspending. Your friend's birthday present counts here. Solution: include variable expenses in your budget. Allocate a specific amount for these discretionary items each month. You can adjust the allocations based on your financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or reducing dining out expenses. This is a great time to like and subscribe. You are really helping the channel out. 5. Failing to review and adjust the budget. Mistake. A static budget can become obsolete as your financial circumstances change. Failing to review and adjust your budget regularly can result in overspending or missed savings opportunities. Solution: schedule regular budget reviews at least monthly. Reevaluate your goals and spending habits and make necessary adjustments. If you receive a pay raise, allocate a portion to savings or debt reduction. If expenses increase, look for areas to cut back. 6. Relying solely on credit cards. Mistake. Relying on credit cards to cover gaps in your budget can lead to debt accumulation and high interest payments. Solution: prioritize cutting back than using credit. While credit cards offer rewards and should replace your debit card, they should not be a substitute for a well-structured budget. Stick to your budget and use credit cards responsibly, paying off balances in full to avoid interest charges. Effective personal budgeting is essential for achieving financial freedom and reaching your financial goals. By recognizing these common budgeting mistakes and implementing the suggested solutions, you can take control of your finances, reduce financial stress, and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Budgeting is not about restriction. It's about creating a roadmap to financial freedom and achieving the life you desire. Thanks for watching.